Cow Kid TV, Cow Kid TV. Cool amazing learning, cool amazing learning, cool amazing learning. Guys, we have an amazing video for you. It's Play-Doh. Okay. Everyone's favorite. I know you like Play-Doh. I just took a piece of Play-Doh and this is what I'm going to use for making my shape. This is the kind of shape that we're going to do now. So, okay guys, I'm going to tell you what these shapes are. This is a tomato, this is a noodle, this is another noodle, this is another noodle, this is another noodle, this is a meatball, this is a corn, and this is a mushroom. Them. So now I'm doing it. A pasta, a noodle, and a bun for a hot dog, and more pasta and meatball and a corn and dough and tomato. This one on the plate. Now for the fun part, we're going to make the shapes. Okay, I'm just going to give Princess half. I'm going to do a tomato to what color the tomato? Red. And then, now I toddy. Now I'm going to take it out. Now this is how a tomato look like. Now I'm gonna roll it again. So now I'm gonna choose my mold and I'm gonna do a meatball. I'm gonna do my neck shape. And this is for a hot dog bun. Now I'm gonna do it. Can't put any more dough. Hold on, let me roll my ears. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the mushroom. So now I'm gonna do a pasta. So I'm gonna do this kind of pasta. Now I put it in. So now I'm gonna pick the corn. I need more tomato. This one. Now I'm gonna put it in. So now we're done, guys. So now I'm gonna do this mold, this pasta. Bunny. So now we're gonna peel it out. So now we're done doing it. Now that's how it looks like when it was in. So now it's Charlie's turn. It's a pasta, guys. So that's how it came out. I just took this shape out and it's a mushroom. So now I can put my out. So now I put the corn out and this is how it look like. I'm gonna do my next shape. So this is a meatball. It kind of has X's on. Now I'm gonna put mine out. So now I did a pasta. So here it is. So now I'm gonna take out this one. This is a tomato. Now I'm gonna put out one. So that's what I did a pasta, another pasta.
Now for the last one, guys.
I'm gonna take it.
Guys, I kind of redo it because it broke. Now I'm gonna take it out. This one's a hard one to pull out. I think so. It kind of broke, but this is like a hot dog. It kind of broke. Now I'm gonna be making a giant apple. Now I have my apple.
Now I might.
So now she's gonna make a pizza.
Now I'm put the topping. And cheese. More cheese. The brick. Okay, gonna put this one too. Pepperoni. Oh. Add the pepperoni. Now I'm gonna make another pepperoni.
What toppings are on your pizza, Princess?
Cheese and pepperoni.
I love some salami too. And my favorite pizza is cheese pizza. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys for subscribe to Cow Kid TV.
Cow Kids TV, Cow Kids TV, cool amazing learning, cool amazing learning. Screen fun, screen fun, screen fun. The wheels on the bus
Go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wiper on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
The engine on the bus
Go beep, 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 beep. The engine on the bus go beep, 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 all through the town.
The engine on the bus goes vroom, vroom, vroom,